I will sell your product like this facial cream.
Everything you saw in the first 3 seconds is 100% AI generated. The characters, the locations, the products, none of it is real. This is called an AI UGC video. And the best part to make this, you don't need a camera, costly model, or any special place. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can generate these ultra-realistic AI UGC ads in just 3 simple steps. Whether you want to create videos for your clients, Amazon products, or Shopify. So without any further delay, let's get started. Open any web browser. Then, type in and search for the TopView AI website. Click on it, and once the website opens, your interface will look like this. TopView AI, the best marketing video generator right now. Here you can make realistic AI avatars for marketing, just like influencers. I will put the link in the description. First, create an account. Then type your email ID or password here. Or you can directly log in with your Gmail account. This is the TopView AI interface. Here, you'll find features like text-to-image, image editing, storyboarding, in-painting, character swap, and face swap. However, to create a video from a URL, you need to go to the video section and click on URL to video. Next, paste the URL of the product you want to promote here. Since I want to promote this Canon camera, I will copy its Amazon product link and paste it here. Then, select your preferred video size and click the Generate button. Now, the AI will start generating images of your product from different angles. This process takes a few minutes, so I'll speed things up for you. Look, it has generated several images. Now, all you have to do is choose the images that you like best. Okay, now scroll down. Here you will find the product name. You can customize it if needed. After that, the product description. If you want to enter your custom script, then go to the Use My Script tab and enter the script in this box. I will go with the product description. Now click on More Options from here. First of all, you will find the script writing style. We have to choose a style from here. You will find a bunch of options. Carefully look at them and select one based on your product and needs. After that, you can mention the target audience. Next, the video length. Finally, you can add logo or a watermark to the video. Once done, go to the bottom of the page. Here, first you will find the aspect ratio. Select a ratio according to your platform. Next, set the language and then the voice actor. You will find a bunch of options here. You can even clone your own voice. Simply upload a sample voiceover clip. After that, set the name and click on the Next button. Now, AI will clone my voice. Once it's done, you can test the voice from here.
Hi, please subscribe the channel.
If you are satisfied with the result, click here to save the voice. Okay, our voice is now saved and I am selecting the voice. Now go to the avatar settings. Here you will find a vast library of realistic AI avatars. However, I will create my own avatar. So click on Create Your Avatar. Now you will find 2 options: Create from a video and Product Avatar. I will go with Product Avatar. Here you can see my previously created avatar. You can use any of them based on your product, or you can create a new avatar. I will use this AI avatar because I am not using the paid version. That's why it's showing the Generate with Watermark option here. So I click on Generate with Watermark. I have a subscription of Create UGC AI tool. I had heard about TopView AI, so I took a free trial to see what kind of tool it is. I'll tell you at the end of the video whether this tool is as good as Create UGC AI or not. Finally, our video is generated. So let's watch the video.
Get closer to the wild from miles away. Zoom into extreme action with the Canon RF 200-800mm insane super telephoto range packed into a lightweight handheld body, perfect for crisp wildlife shots and fast outdoor sports. Stop carrying heavy gear, unleash pure portable power today.
Okay, now let's talk about Product Any Shoot. You can create stunning professional-grade visuals in seconds, saving both your budget and sanity. First, click to open the Product Any Shoot feature. Once you are on this page, you have to upload the product image by clicking here. Once the product image is uploaded, select the product area you want to place. Once done, select a target image as your background. Choose from our public templates or upload your own. On the target image, draw a detailed area of your product placement. Please note that you should be drawing the shape of your product, not the shape of the objects already in the target image. For example, if your product is a piece of clothing, draw the shape of the clothing as if it were worn on the target image. If it's glasses, draw the shape as if they were being worn. After completing the drawing, click the Generate button. It will generate multiple image results for you to choose from. If you desire a more vivid display effect, you can click the Image to Video button, enter prompt, and bring the image to life. And here it is. The video is ready. And the result is amazing. So, if you want to grow your business or sell ClickBank, Amazon, or Shopify products, in my opinion, TopView AI is the best tool because Create UGC is missing some features, such as letting the avatar hold and interact with the product. You can also paste the link to any viral video to clone its ad style. If you watch a video made on Create UGC, you will see for yourself why TopView AI is better. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this one. Thanks for watching.